Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what we're going to be getting into is discussing the upcoming Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low Velvet Brown, which is about to drop very soon. I mean, we're talking in like 3 days. Nike, you can load the shoes up now. Still not loaded in the US, at least, when I'm making this video. I believe they're loaded in the EU, but yeah, it's a typical theme here. We notice Nike is sometimes a little bit late to load stuff, and maybe it'll get pushed back a couple days. You know, things can happen like that. So we'll just get into it and discuss this release because the prices are dropping right now, and I just want to let you guys know I think it's a good time to buy right now. Let me slow down, but honestly, I feel like if you wait till a couple months after this release, right, you're only going to be, buying these for a higher price. They're not making a lot of them. It's the most limited Travis low they've produced this year on a very clean colorway as well. So yeah, we'll mention that. There are a lot of raffle locations and backdoors going out for these. So I do think over the next week or so, we will see prices about where they're at in this video, and they won't go up or go down really much from, again, where they're at now. But just know, if you wait a year thinking you're gonna get a better deal, that's never happened with Travis lows. Don't expect that. But there is people with, a lot more of this Travis low than, a normal pair. I'll say that. There's a lot of people with bulk, so we'll get into it. If you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget, let's try and hit 300 likes on this video. Just lets me know these are the types of videos y'all want more of. You can also check me out. My IG's down below, always buying, selling, and trading. I'll be posting more stuff. It'll probably be pretty late tonight because I got to get stuff listed on my Grilled page and on my eBay page, so just stay tuned. And shout out to all my members in Resell Vision, man. I love you guys. Don't forget, we're giving away a pair of the Wizard of Oz SBs coming up soon. And I appreciate you guys' patience as always. I've had tons of holiday orders recently, especially just with exam time. So I've been getting stuff out consistently. Still trying to do that every single day. So I appreciate y'all. I had to hit UPS and FedEx today, and both are across town from each other. So yeah, that was interesting today. That took some time, but we got it done. All right. Let's get started. All that's in the pinned comment if you want to check it out. All right, so as you guys can see, screen recording is now up, and hopefully I cut down that intro a little bit. I was doing a lot of talking there, which I should be doing right now. Again, I don't know why sometimes I just get into the video right away, but maybe that should just be what I start doing. So I'll probably adjust. You'll see the intro change here over the next couple weeks. You know what I mean? Just so we can just get into the videos right away. But I'm doing it again, as you see. But the prices we got right now between a range of about $420 to $550. You can see what size they're going for more. We always discuss here in the channel, 11 plus. Those are the ones that are the best ones to cop at the moment. Why? Because they don't make as many of them. Also, sizes 5 through 7. Do not sleep on small size Travis lows. I'm going to tell you this once. They do not make a lot of small size Travis lows. You need to know which ones will be going for a bag down the line, or which ones will make really quick progress upwards after the release. It's going to be these in small sizes. Go look at the medium olives right now in size 4.5, 6, 5.5. All of them are above $500. I even think 4.5, I have one back there, so I check it, like once a week. I just do that. But yeah, those were at like $620 at one point, and I even think they were a little bit higher recently just because they don't make a lot of those smaller sizes. So keep that in mind. As good of, a hold as the big sizes are, right, like 11 plus and 10.5 plus, don't sleep on, some of them really small ones, some of them lady sizes, because just as much as, the guys, as much as we love the Travis lows, so do the girls, you know what I mean? They love the lows too. So I just want to mention that. Don't sleep on holding the small sizes for this one. And now, where do I see the prices heading over over the next week or so, let's say? Where would I see these heading? Again, as I mentioned towards the intro of this video, the prices you see on the screen right now, I pretty much think this is about where we'll see them at. They'll probably dip another $30, $40 or so, right? Because we saw that for the medium olive lows where they went to kind of like $420, $430, even briefly below $400, I believe, in some sizes, but that did not last, and yeah, those ended up being a great hold. So, I mean, I think it just goes to show, again, if it's a good sneaker, if it's on, a popular model, if it has a good name behind it, it's something you should definitely be paying attention to, because that's the type of shoe that'll be going for some money down the line. And keep in mind, they're not making a ton of these either. So they have, the lower stock numbers, hype name, good colorway, will be one of the cheaper Travis lows on the market, right? Considering that it's the most recently released one. If anybody's just looking to get one Travis low to wear for their collection, if they're like, Mom, I just want a Travis low in my collection, or whatever, whoever they're asking, maybe we'll just say it's for Christmas, right? They're asking somebody and they're like, man, I just want a Travis low. They're going to be looking to get these or the Canaries. Those are the two cheaper ones right now. And keep in mind, when a bunch of people are running to a shoe for a deal, right, because the prices are lower, that tends to actually cause them to go up a decent amount over time. So that's why I'm also saying these would be a good hold, is because a lot of people are going to see these at, $400, $500, and they're going to be like, oh, dang, well, it's a lot cheaper than they normally are. I mean, Travis lows are normally $1,000 sneakers, or, at least $800, $900. But, they've done more this year. more stock is released, it's kind of expected that they'll start going for a little bit less. But don't think that they won't end up being great holds though. So for me, this is the next sneaker I'm really holding bulk of. You can see I got like a decent amount of medium olives. Here, some Jumpman Jack, TD, but really my next big hold is going to be this shoe right here. Get my money ready for that since I have to finish buying some Asics that, I was copping last week. So y'all go see that for sale on my page soon as well also. But yeah, some pretty limited Asics too, so I'm pretty happy about that. But that's what I can say about the Velvet Brown lows, man. Good hold. They've started, having the lightning bolt symbol on StockX, so that should just let you know, hey, people have started going out the way, or more people have really started going out the way and getting their personal pair because they feel like this is a good price point. Again, I feel like they'll still probably come down another 30, 40 bucks, but really, if we just want to be honest here, don't hold out on getting your personal pair just to save, $30, $40, in my opinion, because I think that a lot of people could also, this is dropping at a very good time, holiday, time Travis sneaker release, so yeah, a lot of potential that these could shoot up in price after the drop if a bunch of people are taking L's and the back doors clear out pretty fast. But it seems like those have pretty healthy stock, and there's a decent amount of them out there. So yeah, we'll see where the market heads. I think it'll be dropping over the next few days. Get ready to buy them, in my opinion. I might go out the way and get one or two right now, but honestly, it's like I think I'm pretty confident that they'll drop a little bit more price over the next couple days, and then that'll be the point to buy. So yeah, we'll be ready. Don't forget, they're also doing some preschool and toddler sizes for these, I believe. Well, yeah, every single Travis Low is preschool and toddler sizes. So don't sleep. These will get cheap though, and like that size 3Y, 2Y. Remember, a lot of those Travis Lows get real cheap in those bigger preschool sizes. But I just want to mention this. Go look at what some of those old Travis colorways and PS sizes go for. It's like $300, $400. So, I mean, if people are going to let them go for 100 or, 120 bucks right now, I mean, I'll buy them. I've been buying medium olive preschool sizes. People have been selling them to me for like 100, 120 bucks. I'm like, bro, if you're just going to sell them to me for like almost retail, then yeah, I'm going to take it. I mean, it's just go look at how most of them have aged over time. I doubt that these ones won't follow the same pattern. Also a very, very wearable colorway, the medium olives. Probably better than the Velvet Browns. I stopped myself right there a little bit because I was like, that's opinion based. That's something that I say here on the channel. None of that really matters, you know what I mean, which one's better, because to be honest, that really doesn't determine how many of them Nike makes or what they're doing. It's just, what you think, and yeah, that's really all there is to it. So that's my opinion on the Velvet Brown Travis Low. Keep in mind, we're going to be seeing the release for that in the next day or two. And yeah, that'll be really it. I mean, just hopefully Nike will load them up. They're not loaded yet on sneakers in the US. Maybe they'll load tonight, like while I'm editing this video, or tomorrow. They're going to be dropping on the Travis site any day. Like by the time I put out this video, like it could be tonight. You know what I mean? It would not shock me, but we're getting ready for that, getting prepared. Definitely going to make sure tonight I'm going to be back in Resell Vision. Shout out all my members in there. Don't forget the deals we do every single day. The Wizard of Oz SB giveaways. Or the Wizard of Oz SB Dunk we're giving away soon. Excuse me, I've tripped over my words there. But yeah, that's all Christmas Day. Make sure you guys don't miss out on that. And get in there. And of course, we do deals every single day on shoes. So if that's the type of stuff you like, don't miss it. Alright, but that's really everything I need to say right there for you guys. You can check me out down below on my IGs. I don't think I'm linking like my Grailed or eBay page down below, but they're there. I'll be slowly posting more items, so maybe it'll show up. Y'all will see it maybe if you're searching around for kicks, stuff like that. And yeah, that's really everything I need to say right there. I think I've repeated that now, so we'll just end it here. All that, again, you can check it out down below. It's in the pinned comment. I'm not going to repeat myself too much, so I'll see y'all on the next one tomorrow. I'm T. Thank you guys, and I'm going to catch y'all then. See ya. Peace.